Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to show decimal points only when the value is less than 1%. So here we are going to apply the decimal point only when the value is less than 1%. So you right click and do the formatting and change the number format to 0 decimal points. You will see we are getting the 1%. So when the value is less than 1%, we want to show 1 decimal point. In all other scenarios, we'll show 0 decimal point. Okay, for that one we need to write the calculation separately. Let me write one calculation that gives us the percentage of sales. So I'm going to drag this one. I'm going to copy the formula here, Control C, Control V. So this one gives the percentage of sales. Okay, now on top of this one I'm going to write one more calculation that enables us to change the decimal point only when the value is less than 1%. So percentage of sales condition. So the calculation is if sales percentage of sales is less than 0.1, then 1, else minus 1, and so basically we are converting the values to the negative values. We are changing the values to negative so that we can format them to the decimal points when the value is less than 1 multiplied by percentage of sales. Click OK. Now drag and drop this calculation onto the text. So if you see we have the values percentage which should be 0.70 and all other values are changed to negative. So we are going to format this one, right click and then format. So here select custom option. So in this case when the value is negative, we need, so after the semicolon it represents the negative value. So after the, we need the negative values with out decimal point, so simply 0%. Okay, so you can see all the values, negative values are converted to the positive with this formatting. If you keep minus here, you will get the minus value. So if you don't put minus, you will get the 0%. If you put 0.0, then you will get 1 decimal point. Okay, so we need only the decimal point when the value is less than 1%. So we have changed all the positive values more than 1 into the negative values, and then we are doing this condition here. So here we have the 0.70%. If you want only 1 decimal point, instead of 0.0 we just put 0.0%, so that when the value is less than 1 we get the only 1 decimal point. All other places we get 0 decimal points. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe.